I'm David Hill and I'm Director of ArtReach, which is the producer of Journeys Festival International. So Journeys Festival was born in 2013 as part of the Leicester City Festival, and we're now in 2018. The whole team are very proud of the way that the festival has developed, because we also have festivals in Portsmouth, Manchester, and elements of the festival in various European capitals. So it's really grown and developed over those years.
My name is Linton Magume. I'm from Zimbabwe. I'm one of the volunteers at Soft Touch. Today we're cooking different things, different foods from different countries. It's a mashup of different cultures. Leicester is a multicultural place, which we all know. There are so many people from different countries, different ethnic groups. For myself, I've been involved in this Journey Festival for a long time, because it's a place where I feel no one judges anybody. It's just different people, different countries coming together and celebrate this time together.
So this year, Journeys Festival International has a structure which we've developed very successfully over the last 2 years, which includes a major visual arts project called Look Up. This year, the artist Farahad Berriman has been commissioned to create a series of postage stamps for an imaginary country that refugees and asylum seekers might go to. We also have fantastic Voices element, which works with our European partners and culminates in a parade leading to Jubilee Square on Saturday the 24th of August, followed by a series of outdoor theatre performances, and then a very high quality eclectic music program, world music program, on Sunday the 25th.
Journeys Festival is vital. Refugees are important in our lives. They bring an extra dimension, but they also bring experience of how it is to survive in difficult situations, challenging situations, and it's important for us to try and understand that message. And obviously language is a barrier, but the beauty of this festival is that they bring it in other forms. They bring it in music and dance and drama, and that is sufficiently powerful to convey to us how important it is. Personally for me, the best thing, I think, was the Aleppo exhibition. That was on in the Phoenix.
I'm here with Journeys Festival with a project called Future Aleppo. It's a project I began in 2015 when I came by the story of Mohammed Katesh. Mohammed is a boy from Aleppo in Syria who responded to the conflict that was happening there by actually trying to rebuild the city using whatever materials he could find. Originally we weren't thinking of virtual reality at all. It was a media that I was reluctant to use. Then I saw his sister Limar try a headset on that I had when we went to visit. The liberation that you could see in her was just incredible. And I wanted to sort of promote what Mohammed was doing and what other children are doing from Syria and other areas of conflict. Journeys is a perfect platform for that. It's a very welcoming atmosphere. Those who come are responding to the sort of sense that there's a greater narrative out there.
So this is the launch event for 2018 Journeys Festival International here in All Saints Church, which is managed by the Church's Conservation Trust, and they're allowing us to use the church both for the launch but also for an exhibition of work from refugees and asylum seekers in Calais from the jungle. So very exciting project. Well, what we're hoping is that the work that is presented will open people's eyes first of all, to the talents that there are there in the refugee and asylum seeker community that can benefit this country, the range of cultural inspiration that people can bring, and we hope it will make a difference to people's views so that they're not simply responding to some of the tabloid press, some of the negative perceptions of asylum seekers, because there's so much that is positive and that we should welcome and support.
As I say, it's the first time I've come to something like this, and it's about time that voices were heard and people's feelings and emotions mean a lot, and this needs to be more. It needs to be more.
Art is important in any aspect of life. Performing arts is especially important because it draws people in, like today. It builds community, stimulates creativity.
It's very important for big cities because that is like a key part for like the integration of new communities, like people that maybe they don't speak English, they could feel inclusive.